Who is the father of the Filipino language? 5.
Dr. Jose Rizal.
Wrong.
Sorry, go.
Okay, our content for today is quiz about the Philippines review content.
My feet could come below.
Ilosyang.
Ikaw mo din eh, wala tayo bro. Hello. Oh.
Wala.
Oh, chicken dance. Next.
Tap ya. Tawa lagi ka.
Mapriso ka.
First question.
Hi. Hello.
Sige. How many regions are there in the Philippines? 5. Regions. 5.
15.
Higher.
20.
Over.
17.
Correct.
Ala, grabe.
There are 17 regions in the Philippines. Sige, next. What is the smallest local government unit? Sa pinakagabay na gobyerno. Gobyerno ba natawag na?
Boko.
Saan?
Barangay.
Correct.
I'm sorry.
Next, what is the current highest bail currency in the country? Kwarta. Sa pinakagabay na kwarta.
20 mil.
Wrong. What is the highest bail currency in the country? 5.
Piso?
Wrong. Next player, please.
20,000.
What is the current highest bill currency in the country?
1,000.
Correct. 1,000 peso.
Garao.
Mga pinakadako nga bill. Saan?
Sana makatabag ako na ba?
Next! Who is the father of the Filipino language? 5, 4.
Dr. Jose Rizal.
Oh, sorry. Wrong.
Sorry, go. Go. Madam. Go ahead.
Who is the father of Filipino language? 5, 4.
Tagalog.
Wrong.
Ikaw mo tunyot mo.
Next player, please. Who is the father of the Filipino language?
Abraham Lincoln.
5, 4.
Ambo.
Wrong.
Ambo. Andres Bonifacio.
Wrong. Saan Bonifacio?
Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson.
Wrong. Wrong.
Yolo.
Sakit.
Marhos.
Wrong. Isa lang natin. Eh, ikaw ba? No?
Ako minasta
5.
ko pa. Si Magellan.
Wrong.
Magellan.
Wrong.
Wala, Magellan.
Dexter.
Sige man.
Dili mo takatapos.
Ako man na diri.
Ikaw last, no?
Ako last.
Mana ka?
Sunod man to.
Na may buwan ng wika, di ba? Kisa man ang kuhaan sa buwan ng wika?
Dito na sa likod.
Si Manuel L. Quezon.
Ay! Oh, si Manuel.
Manuel L. Quezon.
Muan manaog ka ng tuba sa amo aja, si Manuel.
Linya, next, ikaw makita. Next question. Where is Mayun Volcano located? Bisa kang province lang. 5,
Ay, sa ha?
4.
Basta to?
Where is Mayun Volcano located? 5,
Tao ka.
4, 3.
Quezon City.
Tao. Wrong.
Sayang ako tao.
Okay. Where is Mayun Volcano located?
Bicol?
Wrong ang Bicol.
Bicol except
5.
Asa
Asa man ang Mayun Volcano? 5.
nasa Bataan.
Wrong.
Ilocos Sur.
Wrong.
Philippines!
Correct siya ma'am, pero wrong.
Habibi, nakabot. Hello! Salbay.
Correct! Albay! Legazpi City, Albay.
Hey,
What is the highest mountain in the Philippines? 5.
Huh?
4. Wana. What is the highest mountain in the Philippines?
Mountain.
Mount Tapinis. 5. Wrong. Next player, please.
One, Barawi Restaurant.
Wrong yapon.
Wrong yapon. Sige.
Eh, baro pa na.
What is the highest mountain in the Philippines?
Mount Everest.
Wrong. Sayang yung taok, no? Sige. 5. 3.
Monte Alegre.
Kaya pwede ko bukan yan.
Dili pwede. 5.
Mountain Joe.
Wrong. Wrong.
Mayon Volcano.
Wrong. Next player, please.
Bulkang taon. Ay, taal!
Sabukang taol. Wrong.
Mount Apo! Di ka po!
Correct lang Mount Apo. Where is the Asia's Latin city? 5. Sa Mindanao. 4.
Mindanao yan?
3.
Vatican.
Sa Mindanao na gani. Vatican o wrong?
Di na ako masipiyat, Samar.
Wrong. Visayas ng Samar. 5.
Lipi!
Wrong. Visayas na.
Mindanao mo alam. Bum bum.
Okay.
Kuan, Pagadian.
Wrong. Pagadian. Next player, please.
Kote na lagi na. Ligan.
Wrong.
Cagayan de Oro.
Wrong.
Boracay!
Wrong. Patay. Aning tanan.
Batangas.
Wrong. Batangas. Zamboanga City. Zamboanga. Next! Ay, kaya boss, dilil ano, patuloy lang dilil ha. Who was the first Filipina crowned as Miss Universe?
Si Corazon Aquino.
5.
Si
4.
Si Miss.
3.
Miss Iskisu.
Sakto to siya ma'am, pero wrong. Sige.
Boss
Who is the first Filipina crowned as Miss Universe? 5.
Hilda Papin.
Rugya! Hindi ko ka-imagine mo. Ano sa baso? Who is the first Filipina crowned as Miss Universe?
Honor.
5.
Yeah.
Kisa pinakauna nga Miss Universe? Ikaw?
Ay, de las alas.
Tingnan din.
Of course. It's Gloria Diaz.
Correct. Gloria Diaz.
Hala, nakapagalaro yun.
What is the national sport of the Philippines?
Basketball.
Wrong. Next player, please. Wrong. Di na mag-explain, Jay. Di. What is the country's national sport?
Boxing? Boxing?
Wrong.
Kasi Manny Pacquiao.
Di ma-explain, ma'am. Wrong na, ma'am.
Kanya?
5.
Tennis.
Wrong.
Ay, dili. Kanang
Wrong na. Wala na.
Si finish ay.
What is the country's national sport?
Sipa.
Wrong.
Pila mo ay?
5.
Ernest.
Correct, Arnie. As per Republic Act number 9890 of 2009. Next! How many countries colonized and invaded the Philippines? Pila ka buok nasod ang nisakop na to? 5.
Di mo ko na yun. Ako
4.
3.
Correct. Name them.
Nabi.
Okay.
American.
Correct.
Correct. And Spaniards.
Correct.
Correct. And
Asian.
Chinese.
Wrong.
Wrong na wrong. Wrong.
Okay.
Pila mo ay?
Takto na, correct.
Nakalimut ko
Correct.
sa
Victory, amigo.
Oh, sige katulad Del.
Kuan. Siyempre.
Oh, simpre. Wrong and simpre. Japanese. What does the acronym KIKIKI?
Ano ang kahulugan ng Kikiki?
No!
Pinaalala niya sa akin, ha?
What does the acronym KKK stand for the Philippines?
Ay, alam pa tayo, nabubula ko. Kikiki. Katas-taasang.
Oops. In English. Sige.
Katas-taasang, kagalang-galangang
Kabaya-babayan.
mga anak ng katipunan.
Wrong. Nag-rumble ang ko.
Kimoko, ha?
Next player, please.
Tap.
Sige, what does the acronym KKK stand for in the Philippines?
Diri na ko na boss.
5.
Katay-katayanan.
Kataas-taasang kagalang-galang katipunan ng bayan.
Wrong.
Ng
Puwang.
bayan.
Wrong ang bayan ko Pilipinas.
Kataas-taasan, kagalang-galangan, Katikat.
5. Kati-kati. Wrong. 5.
Katipunan.
4.
Kawasakan.
Kaya pa tama nakabuk di?
Kataas-taasan, kagalang-galangang, katipunang anak ng bayan.
Atoy consider. Usara ko word ang kulang ng mga anak ng bayan.
Yeah, ako nito,
Correct.
1,000
Ako,
ako.
sorry.
Kiki, do you love me?
So in English, kay Supreme and Honorable Association of the Children of the Nation. Ah, sige. Next! How many islands and islets do the Philippines consist of? Pila ka book islands sa Pilipinas? 5.
7,764?
Lower.
Wow ko, kay Mari kasi kay Mari. Narong sige Mari
Wrong, wrong ko ani wrong. Sige.
Mo kita Mari kay Mari.
5,
7,000.
3, 2,
754.
lower,
7,716.
lower,
7,164?
higher.
Ay!
7,168.
Higher.
7,700 pa to, no?
Oh, 5,
7,762.
lower,
7,000. Ka-virgin. 748.
lower,
7,742.
lower.
Mga kuya.
7,641.
Saan yung mo niya? 600?
700, 7,700.
Ito yung gamay.
Next!
Sayang. Sige.
What does NCR mean? NCR, di ba?
Dihara, dihara.
Sa Luzon ay NCR. Saan meaning sa NCR? 5.
Yeah, mga NCR mo na kahidanan.
Correct. 5. 4.
NCR ba?
3. 2.
North Round Central.
3.
National Croc Regency.
National Capital Region?
Correct!
May amigo.
Correcto, amigo. 1,000 ni Amor.
How long did the Spanish How long did the Spanish colonization last? Pila ka tuig tag i-colonize sa Spanish? Spanish sa Spaniards. 5.
21.
1,000.
Wrong.
20 years.
Ah, wrong.
30.
Higher. 4.
300
3.
years.
Ha?
Boom. 334 years.
Lower.
333 years?
Correct!
1,000 sa